Hey, do not buy a car right now. Do not buy a new car right now. Cars are way too expensive, and they might get even more expensive soon. And if you're going to take out a loan, don't take out a loan. Try to postpone buying a car for at least another year or two, or at least until tariffs are gone. This is basically what this whole video is about. I'm trying to show you what the impact of tariffs can be through Excel on a car loan. And here I just have a $15,000 loan, which is pretty low. I think most cars probably now cost $30,000 to $40,000. But let's say you're lucky enough where you only have to take out $15K. It's still a lot more money that you have to pay. So for example, if it's 25%, here it updates to $18,750. It's $3,700 more that you have to pay on just principal. But that's not including the fees, which is 1% of the loan amount, and interest. Interest goes up with the higher loan amount, the higher principal amount. See that? It goes from $62 to $78 for that first month, an extra $15 in interest. And this is a pretty reasonable low interest too. If you're lucky to get 5% interest, and honestly we could do 6, 7, 8, 9, 10% interest. This is pretty dang low if you're lucky. I don't think that's even low enough. But if I just scroll down, here we have a little sensitivity analysis showing how much more you could be paying if tariffs go into effect with cars. Even if it's just 15%, 5%, even if some car makers or car dealerships are just sneakily upping the price on some of their new cars, just don't do it. Because even if it's just a 5% increase, maybe they're just being hesitant, being careful about things. Even if it's a 5% increase, don't do it. You're going to be paying $750 more in principal and another $50 to $60. And if you have a really high interest rate, this is probably going to be closer to $100, $200 that you'd be paying more. So right now, do not buy a car. Now is not the time.